Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card in DOOGEE Note 56 Pro. So first, take off the case of your phone if you have any. Then, right here on the left side of your phone, you can see the SIM card slot with a hole. So take something long and thin, you can use a needle, and put it in this hole right here and then push. Now take out this slot, this card slot. It can be tricky. Okay. Now take a SIM card and put it into the tray. You can see this cut corner, so you know where the SIM card goes, and then put it back inside your phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.